I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data, back up to OneDrive or an external drive so nothing is lost. Once done, make sure the Surface has at least 50% battery or is plugged in. Resets can take time. You should check whether BitLocker is enabled and note your Microsoft account email and password. This prevents lockout when Windows restarts. Now, press Start, select Settings, and get to System. We start the reset from the recovery options because it gives the cleanest result. You now pick the exact reset path. First, open Settings, go to System and Recovery, and click Reset this PC. That launches the chooser. Decide why. Choose Remove Everything for a factory-like wipe, or Keep My Files to preserve personal data while reinstalling Windows. Then pick Cloud Download for the latest image if you have a good connection, or Local Reinstall to use the existing files. Cloud fixes corrupted local files, whereas local is faster and uses less data. Confirm and proceed. You watch the progress. The Surface will restart multiple times and show status screens. This is normal. Once it reaches the setup phase, sign in with your Microsoft account and reconfigure settings. If the reset fails or hangs, reboot into UEFI by holding Volume Up plus Power, check boot order, or use a USB recovery drive created via Microsoft's Recovery Image tool to reinstall. Finally, update Windows, reinstall apps, and re-enable BitLocker or device encryption to restore full protection and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.